ready? How's it going? This is Joe from Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. About 3 months ago, my wife planted some potato seeds into this heavy cardboard box, and as you could tell by the leaves, they're ready to be harvested. So why don't you come in for a closer look? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the box open, and we're going to take a look at to see how the potatoes are growing. Okay, ready? So, cut the box off. Come a little closer. Here's what it looks like. Okay. And then, check it out. Look at this nice big potato. Let's see how many we got. Here's another one. A little smaller. You could actually go like this, right where the potatoes were growing. Here are the roots of the potato plant. Okay, and here's another potato hooked up to that. Okay, see how it grew? All right, couple more. Oh, here's another one. Put these to the side. We have a couple more. Let's keep looking. Nice potatoes. Another one. We'll check everywhere. And that's it. So this was Joe from Cosmic Gardens Farmstead, and let's take one last look at the potatoes. See you later.